in Abu Dhabi here are perfect. The level of tennis for me, I don't know yet. I practice it well, but you know, when you are going to compete, it's different. When you are out for a while, the comebacks are difficult always, and here I want to compete against the best players, so it's predictable that probably I'm going to suffer a little bit, but at the same time, as I said before, even if I'm going to try my best to win, but winning or losing, spending time on court, going to be a very positive thing for me. Well, then when you lose opportunities, the tennis career is not a 20 years career or 25 years career, not like golf, that you have no chances in tennis. You have a period of time and you have to try to win as much as possible. And when I lost the chance to compete in the World Cup final in Toronto, in Cincinnati, in the US Open, in Shanghai, you know, in Bercy, all these tournaments I'm not coming back again. From 2014, I lost these opportunities, and that's real. So not frustrated for that, but at the same time, just accepting that's the situation, and that's part of my career. And when I'm at home, I'm not thinking all day. I have to be back. I try to work as much as I can, but at the same time, I am a person that my life is not only tennis. I have many things that makes me happy in life, and I spend time with my family, I spend time with my friends, and that was good for me too. I enjoy it. I won a lot during my career, 40 Grand Slams, 27 Masters 1000, so a lot of tournaments. I feel happy with that. I had some injuries, but in those times I had a lot of fantastic moments. So for me, it's obvious that if you don't have injuries, it's easier to have more chances to compete well and to produce more chances to win important tournaments. But even like this, I was able to be there a lot of times and to make it few ones. I'm going to keep fighting to keep having chances for the team. No, I think that at the end, we are in a tour that we have to be very happy about the tour that we have. And at the end, having a great tour like we have in tennis, there is a lot of jobs, there's a lot of people that can live from this sport, and that's fantastic news for a lot of people. I don't think that we need less tournaments. I think the tournaments are a business too, and it's good to have as many people that wants to invest on our sport in tennis always going to be welcome, and that's my feeling that should be, because at the end, the people who want to be involved in our sport, we cannot close the doors to them. So we don't need less tournaments, we need more tournaments. We have the same question, especially when I have injuries, but I try to make the schedule that is right for me, is right for my tennis, is right for my body. Sometimes you have accidents that you cannot predict.